Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to bold, italic and underline text in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet and you can see here I already bold the text, italic and underline the text. So let's see how it's done. First select the text, go to the home tab. In font group have a bold option, just click on it and your text will convert it in bold. Okay, you can use here the shortcut key also to control B to bold. Okay, for italic select the text, go to the home tab. In font group have a italic option, just click on it and your text will convert it in italic. Same as you can use the shortcut key control I to convert the italic text. To underline the text, select the text, go to the home tab. In font group have a underline option, just click on it, the text is underlined. If you want to double underline, just select the text, again go to the home tab and click on this drop down arrow and here have a double underline option. For this you can use the shortcut key. So for one underline control U, and for double underline you can use the shortcut key Alt H 3D. Okay, so that's it. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.